5 marketing hacks every business can use. Doesn't matter how big you are, doesn't matter what kind of business you have. It might be an e-commerce business, it might be a local business that's targeting out to local customers, it might be a contracting business, it might be a law firm. It doesn't matter. This will work with any business out there, but this is going to be 5 hacks to be able to get your business found by more eyeballs and get in front of more local customers to increase your sales, get more leads, and be able to do things that actually matter. So hack number 1, make sure you register everywhere. Don't just focus on Google Business Profile. Make sure you're registering on yp.com or Yellow Pages. Make sure you're on Super Pages, Dex Knows. Make sure that you are on Apple Business Connect. The list goes on to be able to make sure you are all in the right spots. That's going to be super important for your business, because if you're not being found in those spots, you're going to be left behind, because those are going to be the spots that are going to be able to make sure that you're getting those eyeballs. If you're not telling everybody what it is you do and how you do it, you're going to be left behind. Hack number 2, make sure that you're doing social media. Social media is extremely important to your business. If you are not being consistent on social media, posting at least 3 times per week, if not more, you're going to be left behind. Because remember, you have to be able to tell everywhere that you just registered for on hack number 1, you have to be able to tell them exactly what your business does and what it solves. And that's going to be super important for you to be able to do, because if you don't tell that algorithm that you fix XYZ problem, or you solve this solution, or you're the best in XYZ town to be able to do this, you're going to be left behind, because you're not talking about those points. You're not talking about those pieces that are going to make you be able to thrive and survive inside of that spot. Hack number 3 is make sure that you have a website. It does not have to be built by a professional website developer. We work with a lot of different developers. We work with a lot of designers and everything else. We used to do it. I've been developing websites since 1995, and really at this point, a lot of websites, they're a business card. So you can just put your business information on it and put a blog and talk about the solutions that you solve, and you're going to get more out of it than a super fancy website. Being able to go through and work through that, it's going to make it a lot better for you to be able to do your own. For 1, you control it. For 2, you update it. You're not waiting on a developer. And if you are working with a developer, make sure you work with somebody local. There's lots of different marketing agencies that work with us. So make sure you bring up, hey, guess what? I'm working with simplybefound.com. And if you need help finding a developer or going through what questions to ask, make sure you ask your marketing coach. We can probably send you in the right direction, or at least tell you what you need to look for inside of it, or be able to get you over the hump for being able to do your own. With that being said, make sure that website's done. Your biggest thing is talk about the solutions that you have. Make sure you are blogging inside of that section. Hack number 3 is going to be that website piece. Hack number 4 is going to be making sure that you have the right schema on that website. So now you have your website created, you're talking about it, you're blogging. Make sure you have the right schema on it and the right SEO structure. This is going to be where the AI SEO pixel is going to come into play, and it's really going to help you be able to take your business to that next level and really kind of help you with that Schema side, help you with that technical level to where your marketing coach could work with you. So that's hack number 4, is make sure that you have the right structure on your website, so that way your content is going out and you're going out there. Hack number 5, be honest, be upfront, be able to just start communicating and making sure that you're putting that effort into it. Most marketing only should take you about an hour per week to be able to get out your message, get it to where it goes, especially if you're using a service like simplybefound.com to be able to help you be able to get your business out there. We'll help you draft, if you're on the social media side, we'll help you draft social media posts. We'll help you be able to guide you in the right way. We won't post them for you, so you have to go through and do a little bit of that work, but being able to do it, you're going to get huge results out of it. So those are my 5 hacks. Make sure you're using your marketing coach as hack number 5 inside of there, but make sure that you're doing everything you possibly can. I see a lot of businesses that just want to hit that easy button and just go through and nail it out. But if you're not putting that work in, you're never going to get where you want to go, and you're not going to be able to get your business to explore areas that it would not hit otherwise. So these are my 5 hacks. If I was going to go through and sit down with a business owner today and tell them this is how you're going to be able to get more sales, more leads, and be able to survive and thrive inside of today's economy. If you have any questions whatsoever, come check us out at simplybefound.com. There's live chat. Dean and I, both of the co-founders of Simply Be Found, handle all the chat messages that come through. So if you have a question, we'd love to answer it for you. My name is Rob. Been doing this stuff since 1995. Again, I'm one of the co-founders at simplybefound.com.